Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here already, please subscribe and check out some of my other videos on my how-tos. And here's another how-to. So I'm going to break this down part by part. We're going to build a maple syrup evaporator barrel kit system here. And I'm doing it a little bit different than most other videos you'll watch. Just a little bit. We'll get to that. I'll show you why. That's why. But so let's start. The obvious, you need a barrel. So I found this one locally, food grade. I paid 20 bucks at Marketplace. It's a nice barrel, it's worth 20 bucks. You can get them for free. You can just look around. I chose to get a nice one. It had coconut oil in it, and it's still in it, just in the bottom a little bit. And it's clean, and it's a nice barrel. Then, I got this at Menards. You can find these at a lot of places. All I'm really using is the door, the feet, and I'm not gonna use that deal because this pan is too long for that barrel to put that on where most people put them on. So I'll get to that what I'm doing. Here is the star of the whole deal. Smoky Lake Maple Products makes some very nice maple syrup equipment. I feel it's probably some of the best stuff on the market for the price. Look at that thing. Beautiful construction. So anyways, it's made, well, I don't know if it's made to fit this barrel, but it fits this barrel. That is kind of made for their arch systems they have, their furnaces. They call them arches, but it's kind of made for that, but it will fit this barrel. Then, I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I got some fire bricks I'm going to put in there, and I just picked up a cast iron grate. I'll show you that later and how it's going to go into there. Then for my exhaust, I'll show you that. Well, I'll show you here what it comes with, and most people put them on top. All right, so here's what comes in the kit: is your exhaust flange, and you can see it's cast with a arc to it that's supposed to match the barrel. So I cannot use that because I am going on the end of the barrel. You know, they show it like that, like most people do it. I can't, I gotta go on the end. And I'll get to that, how I'm gonna do it. Here's the hardware kit, the spring, and the door itself. Pretty standard stuff. So that's what I chose. So for my exhaust, I'm gonna put it right there on top at about 12 o'clock position. And here's what I'm using. I know it's kind of, I don't know, I built it at Menards with whatever they had laying around. So what you basically buy is two pieces here. Okay, there's the two pieces. This is your flange, and it just goes right over the top of your cap. Cap has a little lip on there, and it's perfect for what I got to use, except there's no hole in it. So I already scribed a little line. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little line scribed around there. I'm just going to jigsaw that out, open it up, and it's made kind of backwards because this is supposed to, the way this thing is crimped, it's supposed to go inside of the pipes, but if I do it that way, everything's backwards, I won't be able to put a cap on it. So I flatten these out, so this will actually fit over the elbow that goes in it. So it's going to go, the elbow's going to go on top, and it's going to fit over that. And I'll push it down and hose clamp it in place. That allows this to be the right direction. So I can put my next piece in there, the way it's designed to be. And then when I get to the very end, when I put a rain cap on, and a rain cap also has that crimped area, and it'll fit inside the top of that like it's designed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two pieces together, and I will put it on there and mount it with some screws and start building the exhaust. So these are all 6-inch, everything's 6-inch. Oh, it's upside down. There's my information from Menards. I only got 2 of them. I think that's high enough. I might add a 3rd. And I got some band clamps here. It'll clamp it all together when I'm ready. And that's about it for the exhaust. Okay, as far as sap collection goes, we opted to go with the bags. These are so nice. You can Google these. They're nice sterile food grade bags, and they integrate with this deal. So the back will kind of fold over that, and you slide these back in, your whole bag in. And these deals have a little hole there for a spile, and you just hang it on. When you collect sap, you just pull your bag out and pour it into your food grade buckets, which we have right there. And I'll use these for storage until we're ready to boil. It's all Menards, standard food grade stuff there. And this again is Smoky Lake stuff I bought out from them. Their spiles are stainless steel. They're the 5/16 variety. So that's what you want. You don't want the real big ones that hurt the tree. And there they are, Smoky Lake. Check them out, I'm telling you. They seem to have their shit together. Even give you a little beginner booklet. That's me. We are going to have a beginner season. One more thing for the exhaust is I am going to reuse the damper here. I'm going to take it out of this, and I'm going to integrate it into the flue going vertically. I think vertically. Yeah, I would want it going like this, I guess. It probably doesn't matter, but I'm going to put it vertically, kind of close to the barrel, down low. All right, we bought some pre-filters and finished filters. Just got these on Amazon. I'll probably buy some more, but there it is. 2 of the pre's, 1 of the synthetic for filtering off the finished product out of our finish. We'll get to that here next. Our finish pot here. And this is kind of nice. I found this online too. It's got a nice, let's just pull it out of the box. I'll show you what it has. All right, there's the finished boiling pot I bought. So my plan, we're gonna go ahead and do most of our boiling here in this pan on the barrel. Most efficient way to do it, I guess, because I'm not burning fuel, just burning our firewood, which we got a shit ton of that. So this pan came with my choice of thermometer, and I chose to go with this style here. And you know, I'm gonna boil it a couple degrees before it's finished syrup, I guess, and then I'm gonna draw it off. Comes with a nice little stainless steel food grade, I guess, valve. Go right there. And then once it's all done in the evaporator, my plan is to filter it right out of the evaporator pan when it's almost finished. I'm gonna put it into here. Look at that thing. It's 8 gallon. I won't use a lot of it, but I don't want, you know, that's why I wanted it big. I want the sap kind of, you know, halfway-ish. You know, it's got to be up to the thermometer, but it will be. And that's what we got there. We're going to have another drain right there. And then I'm going to put another thermometer right there, which it's a similar one. I'll show you that. All right, so here it is. I actually thought I had an actual Fahrenheit one, but no, I chose to go with this one. So we'll go over that later, but it's a 9-inch stem. So that sucker will fit real nice and go to about halfway. Perfect. So that's my finishing pot right there. Okay, here's the grate I bought. Nice cast iron, 24-inch long. There's the brand name. It's about 60 bucks online. I got it for about 29 at Menards. It was clearance, broken open box. And of course I assumed missing parts, which I am. I got to take a leg to work tonight, and I'm going to go ahead and make a new leg. And then some of the hardware, they're M8. So these screws here, come on, 45-degree countersink. So you can't throw a 5/16 bolt in there. The countersink won't work right. You can if you want to hack it together, but that is 45 degrees metric. So I'm going to go ahead and put M8s. Just going to go to the hardware, get a couple of them. And there's the grate right there. And I'll show you what I mean about the countersinks. Don't pinch your fingers. Yeah, see, they're countersink for 80, not 82, for 45-degree screws. So there you have it, flathead screws, metric. So there's my grate. Can't beat it for 30 bucks out the door, Menards. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off. I got a lake effect rain event going on and steel roof. It's really loud in here. Anyways, this video is pretty much covering what we decided to buy to build that barrel kit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 mark and we're almost a quarter of the way there. So thanks for the support and watch for upcoming videos and some more how-tos. And we're gonna do a nice one building this thing. Again, thanks for watching.